YouTube was good. Cut about TB3 in the back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this mid taper. Lock in, stay tuned for more. Now I can't just come back on the video like I haven't been going for 2 months. Man, I've been grinding. I've been working non-stop. I've been working 2 jobs. I've been working an overnight job. I've just been putting in a lot of work lately. The holidays just passed, New Year's just passed, Christmas just passed. It's been crazy at the shop. Honestly, I just haven't had any time to record any videos. I apologize for the long wait, but I'm back now. It's 2024. It's time to lock in. I'm bringing videos on videos that's coming. So yeah, let's get right into it. As you can see, the first thing I do is I just comb out my client's hair. I'm just combing it out because when I run the clippers through, I want to get a nice smooth cut. I don't want any knots, any hair being pulled. I want a nice even flush cut. So I'm gonna start with my magic clips, and I'm gonna grab the one guard fully closed, and I'm gonna knock everything down to my desired length. All right, so now what I'm doing is I'm taking my Andis GTX trimmers and I'm scooping in my ball line, not trying to make a harsh line because I want it to be easier to fade out at the end. So this is a new fade technique that I've been trying out. Still just trying to keep things fresh, still trying to just find what's the most efficient way for me to cut. So first what I do is I take my one guard fully closed and I'm going up against the grain. I'm going up a full inch, setting in my first line. And then right after that, I'm going to take my 1.5 guard and I'm going to go up about a 1/2 inch or right above that. And I'm going to set in my next line. Right here, what I do is I put my one guard right back on and I start with the lever fully open, and then I'm going to notch it down halfway and then it's blending in that top section that I just made. So right here is when the whole fade is going to come together. All I'm doing is I start with the lever fully open, no guard on. This is going to act as a 1/2 guard, and I'm going to fade down right underneath where I stop with that one guard fully closed. And as you can see, I'm not using the full blade. I'm using just the corners, and I'm using with light pressure. And I'm just trying to notch at that bottom part, just lighten it up. And then I'm going to notch the clipper down halfway, and then I'm going to notch it down fully closed and just blend the whole section out with no 1/2 guard. So for me, this new technique has been working wonders. I've been cutting a lot faster, and I just like fading down. I feel like the less lines that you put in, the easier it is to fade out. So yeah. I'm gonna take my trimmers again and just ball them out at the bottom, and then I'm gonna line up his neck before I go to the front. And this is probably one of the most satisfying parts of the cut for real. When you just put that line on the back taper, it just comes together, and that just shows how the back taper is coming together really nice. And y'all, literally the same thing that I did on the back, I'm gonna do on the sides. So I'm gonna knock everything down to the desired length, set in my ball line. I'm gonna go in with the one guard fully closed. Then I'm gonna put the 1.5 guard on, fade that out, and then I'm gonna just fade down. So I'm gonna just be quiet, just let y'all watch, let y'all get a close look on how I do this taper. once I get the fade how I like it, I'm gonna just line up around his ears and just get everything nice and sharp. And literally the same thing I did on one side, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So I'm gonna just speed this up so y'all don't gotta watch. So right here, I'm moving on to the front. I'm taking my one guard fully closed and I'm just knocking all the hairs down in the front of his hairline. And then what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take some alcohol and just spray it on his forehead. I'm gonna clean off all the excess dirt, debris, and oil on his skin. And then after that, I'm gonna take some spritz and I'm gonna just apply it to his front hairline. And what this is gonna do is gonna lock all his hair into place and get it nice and ready for a curl shape up. When I start my shape ups, I like to start with the C cups first, and then after I do my C cups, I like to move to the vertical bars. And then once I get my vertical bars solidified, I like to move to the front line. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch. One thing I just wanted to add is after you do your shape up is when I like to detail. And I like to detail after the shape up is because when you do the shape up, everything in your face starts to pop out. All the little minor details that you see start to pop out. Here I'm just spicing up the cut a little bit, just applying a little bit of fibers. Not too much, I'm not trying to go too crazy with it and overdo it. Just want to make it pop out a little bit. I like to use fibers sometimes. Usually I use the spray. I know a lot of barbers, you see, they use the paint, but I think fibers are still a good option. So right after I use the fibers, I like to use some pole spray, and I like to lock it into place, then blow dry it, make sure everything is nice and locked in. And then after you do the fibers, you want to take your trimmers again and just go over the hairline. You can see the little bit of fibers that go past the hairline. All you want to do is take the trimmers and just knock and clean all that off. The last thing we're going to do to bring this cut together, we're going to lean his head back. We're going to take the razor, get it nice and crispy, put a razor to the line, and just bring the whole cut together. So YouTube, let me know how I did on this cut. Mid-taper tutorial. It's 2024. I apologize for the wait, but I'm back. 2024, I'm trying to go crazy. Let me know how y'all think about this cut. Please like, comment, subscribe. Share this with all your friends. Positive, negative comments. Let me know how y'all think. Cut by TV3 and I'm out. Videos on videos on videos is coming soon. Stay tuned.